Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Yocada 24-inch Push Broom Brush, a heavy-duty cleaning tool designed for both outdoor and commercial use. This broom boasts an adjustable iron pole that extends from 50.8 to 65.3 inches, allowing you to clean comfortably without bending your back. Its ergonomic design ensures that the angle between the pole and the broom head minimizes effort, making your cleaning tasks simpler and more efficient. The 24-inch wide broom head covers a large area in one sweep, and thanks to a special manufacturing process, it's more durable than your average broom. With stiff bristles and a thicker handle, this broom is perfect for tackling tough dirt on patios, sidewalks, driveways, and even industrial spaces like workshops and garages. Plus, the iron pole comes with a soft protective jacket to ensure a comfortable grip while protecting your hands during use. And remember, each package includes not one, but two of these reliable push brooms, making it a fantastic addition to your cleaning arsenal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.